Are you looking for the top 5 best cordless grass trimmers for your lawn? When you search for cordless grass trimmers, everything looks the exact same. Same features, same flashy promises. But to really find what works for you, you have to look a little deeper.
Product number 1. Black & Decker 2-in-1 Trimmer and Edger. The Black & Decker Weed Walker caught my eye right away with its vibrant orange and black design, and at just $55, it's positioned as a solid budget option. If you want a lightweight tool that can handle tough weeds while also edging, this is worth a serious look. This model features a powerful 6.5 amp motor that spins at 8,000 RPM, providing the strength to cut through dense grass and weeds. The 14-inch cutting width means you get more done in less time, especially in those hard-to-reach spots where a mower can't go. Plus, the automatic feed spool technology is a real game changer. No bumping or interruptions, so you can keep working smoothly. With over 6,000 sold this past month, it's clear that people are finding this trimmer effective. Now, some users mentioned that the cord can be a hassle, limiting your range. Here's the thing though, if you have a small to medium yard, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. Just plan your work area so you can plug in efficiently. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable, budget-friendly tool for trimming and edging. Skip this one if you want the freedom of a fully cordless experience or have a larger lawn. For its price, it offers fantastic value for basic lawn care.
Product number 2. Black & Decker 20V Max String Trimmer. Next up is the Black & Decker 20V Max 12-inch Weed Eater. This tool stands out with its impressive battery performance and lightweight design, weighing only 5.7 pounds. If you want flexibility and power without the hassle of cords, this is definitely worth a serious look. This trimmer comes with a 2.5 AH battery that offers 66% more runtime, so you can tackle larger projects without constantly recharging. The automatic line advancement system dispenses trimmer line as you work, which means no interruptions while you're trimming your yard. Plus, with a dual speed control feature, you can easily switch between higher power for tough areas or longer runtime for those extended jobs. With over 3,000 units sold in the past month, it's proving to be a popular choice. However, a few users noted that the battery could take a while to charge fully. But honestly, if you plan your sessions and charge it overnight, it shouldn't be a major issue. This is perfect for you if you want a lightweight, easy-to-use tool for maintaining your garden. Skip this one if you have a very large property that requires maximum runtime without any downtime. For its performance and features, it's a solid investment for most homeowners.
Product number 3. Suncher's 2-in-1 Hedge Trimmer. Now let's talk about the Suncher's 2-in-1 Hedge Trimmer. Priced at just $25.99, this tool is not only affordable, but also versatile for various gardening needs. If you're looking for something that can handle grass and hedges alike, this is definitely worth considering. This model can switch between a hedge trimmer and grass shear, which means you can easily prune branches and trim grass without needing multiple tools. With a powerful 1250 RPM motor, it boasts a cutting width of 4.52 inches and a runtime of up to 60 minutes on a full charge. That's quite a bit of trimming time without the worry of running out of power mid-task. It also has a safety lock to prevent accidental startups, which is a thoughtful touch. Given that over 2,000 of these have been sold recently, it's clear it's resonating with users looking for convenience. However, some reviewers mention that it might struggle with thicker branches. I'll be real with you, this tool shines best in light trimming tasks, so if you have a lot of dense growth, you might need a heavier duty option. This is perfect for you if you want a compact, budget-friendly tool for light gardening work. Skip this one if you have a lot of heavy branches to trim. For its price, it's a great way to streamline your garden maintenance with.
Product number 4. HeinPro Cordless String Trimmer. Next is the HeinPro Cordless String Trimmer, priced at $53.99. This tool is lightweight at just 3.7 pounds and compatible with DeWalt 20-volt max batteries. If you already own DeWalt batteries and want a flexible option, this is definitely worth your attention. This trimmer offers a no-load speed of 8,500 RPM, which is quite impressive for a battery-powered tool. The dual-line advanced system allows you to either automatically feed the line or manually adjust it, ensuring you always have the right length for your needs. Plus, with its 3-in-1 functionality, you can easily switch from trimming to edging or even mowing small patches of grass. That's super handy for tackling different tasks around your yard. Despite being newer with only 1,000 units sold, it's getting positive feedback for its performance. However, some users have pointed out that it does not come with a battery or charger, which can be frustrating if you're not already invested in the DeWalt ecosystem. But honestly, if you already own DeWalt batteries, this is a great opportunity to get a quality trimmer without needing to pay for more accessories. This is perfect for you if you're a DeWalt user seeking a reliable trimmer that can handle various tasks. Skip this one if you don't own DeWalt batteries, as it won't be of much use without them. For its features and flexibility, it offers great value for the right user. Finally, if you want the ultimate in versatility, stick around for the next product that combines several functions.
Product number 5, Black & Decker 3-in-1 Combo. Last but not least, we have the Black & Decker Weed Eater, Lawn Edger, and Cordless Lawnmower 3-in-1 Combo, priced at $169. This combo tool is designed to cater to various yard tasks, making it a great investment for anyone with a small yard. If you want maximum versatility, this is definitely worth considering. It features a convertible design that allows you to quickly switch between a trimmer, edger, and a small mower. The automatic feed spool ensures uninterrupted operation, while the power drive technology helps prevent bogging down in thick grass. Weighing 9.9 pounds, it's still manageable to maneuver around tight spots in your yard. With over 1,000 sold this past month, it's clearly a popular choice. However, some users found that the mower aspect might struggle on very uneven terrain. Here's the thing though, if you have a generally flat yard, this won't be an issue at all. Just be mindful when using it on slopes or rough patches. This is perfect for you if you want an all-in-one solution for small to medium-sized yards. Skip this one if you have a larger yard requiring heavy-duty equipment.
So to wrap it up, we've covered some solid options today. The Black & Decker 2-in-1 is great for budget-conscious users, while the 20V Max offers excellent battery life. The Sunchers 2-in-1 is versatile for light tasks. The Hein Pro is perfect if you're already in the DeWalt ecosystem, and the Black & Decker Combo is fantastic for those needing multiple tools in one. No matter your yard size or needs, there's a trimmer here that can help you keep your lawn looking sharp.